All right, to get started, we will download Maya. And to do that, we're going to go to the autodesk.com website. We're going to go under their products menu. And in the products, we can look down for Maya. I'm going to go ahead and select on the Maya. And in the Maya product page, we have our options for features and comparisons and whatnot. What we're going to look for is under the free trial. So let's go ahead and select on the free trial. And when we go to the free trial section, we can see that we can download and try Maya for 30 days. If we are students, we can, students or teachers, we can get a free software for 3 years. So we're going to go ahead and go to this one. If you don't have a student account, you can go ahead and do the 30-day trial. We'll click on this one here. And when we come into the student trial for students and educators, we can look down at get a free 3-year license today. The first thing we need to do is sign in or register. We can create an account if we don't already have an account. We'll take a quick look at that. Under the create account, we're basically putting in our information, our education status, whether this is a student, faculty, or a mentor, and then our additional account information. So if you haven't set up an account, go ahead and set up an account right now. If you do have an account, then you can go ahead and sign in. I'm going to sign in right here. Okay, I have signed in to my account here. The next step down below, we have 2 more steps. The next one is where we actually select the software that we want to use. So we're going to choose the version that we're going to use. The latest version 2016 has just come out. We are working in the 2015 version. Either one is just fine. There's just been slight updates between the two. I'll choose the Maya 2015. The language we'll set to English, and then the operating system, I'm working on a Windows 64-bit machine. Once you make those selections, we get our check mark, and we can move down to the last bit of information we want to review and download. We're going to have our serial information and our product key. These are going to get emailed to us. We can use those. And then we have our install now option. If you go over here to the right hand side, this is also a drop down that gives us additional options. We can install it right now, we can download, we can do a browser download, or they can help you decide on what might be best in your situation. For me, I'm just going to do the default install now. And the first things that are going to come up is our license agreement. We can accept the license agreement, click on our install, and it's going to give us a file to run the installer on. We're going to select on the installer on the exe. It's going to do the Autodesk install now. It's going to extract the files and get us ready to start downloading and installing. We'll take a peek at that when it's ready. Once it pulls it up, we're going to be presented with the Autodesk Maya 2015 for the install tools and utilities or install on this computer. We're going to choose install on this computer. And then we're going to choose the location for the install, the installation path, and right now we have it at our C Program Files Autodesk. And we can choose this location, and these are the things being installed. And once the installation is complete, then we can accept any additional license agreements, and then in the next video we will look at starting it up and seeing what we can do with it.